that is
All right. What's up? If anybody is watching, I'm going to get started. All right. Yeah, mic is going. Got my keyboard here. Yasu, Leopold, whatever. All right. Oh yeah, I better move that up. Let's see. I gotta get this webcam position so it's actually gonna show. All right, there we go. We'll see. We'll try this out. I've never pointed this camera down like that before. So I have my trusty Leopold FC. What is it? Leopold FC 660C. My trusty Topre 65% keyboard. Let's see, which one do I have? I have the gray one. I have this one. Oh, out of stock. Oh, look. What's up, Yenny? Manny hands. Love it. Wait, I had to follow you. Add friend. Whatever. Add friend. Mod. I could make you a mod. I don't even know what that does. Yeah, so, all right, so this keyboard, which has been my trusty daily driver keyboard for a long time, the freaking thing here, like, got worn out. Like, you can kind of see it's loose. It, like, wiggles, and it got to the point where it just doesn't even work. And apparently this happens to a lot of people. It's, like, not an uncommon thing, I guess, with this keyboard. So I found this person on the internet apparently makes an aftermarket replacement controller. Let me... there you go. I did it, Yenny. Made you a mod. I don't know what that even means. Maybe you can like ban people and stuff now. So I found this aftermarket replacement like controller that's just it's like the same shape and ports and everything. And it has the interesting stuff that it's like customizable. So if you have this Hasu board, oops, sorry, my hands aren't even in the frame. If you have this Hasu board, you can like even make custom layouts and all this crazy stuff, which is not even really that valuable to me. Yeah, whatever, Ed. I'm not gonna make you a mod. No, okay. Whatever. All right, there you go. Everyone can be a mod. This is gonna be a channel of only mods because that's gonna be all the viewers that we got in here. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna see if I can put this thing together and get my keyboard working again, and then I'm gonna spend like 20 minutes on this. If I can't get it working, then I'm gonna just give up and come back to it later. So we will see. Yeah, don't let anybody troll me. No trolls. All right, so I got a pile of parts. I got a couple screws. Let me think about what order this goes in. I think that what the order is first I put the board into the case, which is I think these two guys right here. And it goes like, oops, I see it goes like this and it sits on these little things. It should fit. Yeah, okay, so that's cool. Little thing in there, and then that guy. Oh wait, I gotta get out my tiny screwdriver, hold on. All right, one. How small are these guys? They're pretty small. Oh yeah. Whatever, I'll try this guy. That's still kind of too small. You guys having a chill Friday? What's everybody up to on Friday? Work. Yeah, same. My work was a drag today. I don't know about yours, Uni, although we did eventually fix that stupid bug that we were working on for so long. All right, let's see if I can get this guy screwed in here. almost spilled all my keycaps there. My desk is kind of a huge mess. I have like art supplies everywhere, and then I have all my normal junk, and then I have all these keyboard parts. All right, I want to make sure I don't tighten that too much. So that actually might even be too tight. I'm gonna loosen it a little bit. The funny thing is, I ordered this thing, and I went on this website, and it was out of stock, and so my friend told me that if you just email the guy, he might just send you one. And so I did, and he did, and he was like, it's this. It was actually even a little cheaper to buy it, but then because he had to just ship it himself from Japan, the shipping was like $40 or something. And then like a week later, it all just came back on stock on the site. So now, like, I could have just waited and saved myself $40 on shipping. But it did come in this cool package. Oh wait, I don't know if I want to show this. I'm gonna dox myself. Anyway, you can see it's like cool Japanese shipping. Don't show up at my house demanding keyboard parts. All right. Oh shit! You know what I did wrong? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I guess the first step is I should plug it in, because once you screw it in, the cable spot is actually like on the underside. Oh yeah, like it does like some machine learning thing and like squares it out or something. All right. So actually I have to make sure I get this the right way. I marked this so the black is on the right. Oh wait. Oh, see, it's the other way around. Okay, it's like this. Oh, it's just like masking tape. What? That's not a product. Is it like stylish masking tape? Like it looks nice or something? Okay, so the black goes on the left. Let me see. Yeah, that's how I would have figured it. All right, so I got to plug that into this little ribbon cable. All right, I think that worked. Now I have to do that again. So eventually this is going to go like that. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, that's good. I guess I would go for some fancy masking tape if I was a fancy influencer. Oh no, I lost my screws for a second there. Damn, I guess another thing I could do is I could plug this thing in and test it first. Maybe that's like not the worst idea. Hold on one second. So this doesn't explode here when I plug it in. All right, let's see. Oh god, there's no keys. Oh, they're typing. It goes. Oh Jesus. O I. Where's the I? Oh god. ASDF. Yeah. Okay, it works. I don't know what the default layout. I wonder. It used to be that you would do this for tilde. Oh yeah, I think it's just the default. That's cool. Oh, what about the control? I have to mess around with that stuff later. All right. Well, it looks like I can put it together anyway, so that's good. Did anybody work on anything interesting this week? Get in there. Dang it. There we go. Hold on a second. Okay. There we go. I don't know. I think you just have to talk yourself, Yinny, and then they'll be excited to participate. Oh, okay. That just sits down in there. It feels pretty sturdy. Maybe you bring in like conversation topics. There's only like 5 people in here anyway, so. All right, so now there's like a screw that I think this screw goes in from the back, if I remember right. Let me try that. And then I have to put all the keys back on. Man, it's going to be very nice to have this keyboard back if it works. My other one is like okay, but this one is my favorite. Oh, that's not working. Is it supposed to be through here? Oh, it's because it doesn't go until you have that. That's right. Okay. I remember now. Oops. Don't close that. I almost quit everything. Okay. I did it in the wrong order. I think the top of the case has to go on first. Now that's what it actually like screws into. Okie dokie. Katie's been saying okie dokie all the time lately, and she says it like at the hospital. I don't know why that's like her thing. Okay. There it is. It's all together. Now keys. Now the challenge is, does it make me? I don't know. I think she says it to like the other people in the hospital, like the other staff. And I think it might be like a slightly derisive thing. Like when you have to say something to people to be like, I'm listening to you, but I don't really want to do what you're telling me. Control is that one? Damn, the problem is now I have to remember where all the keys go. No controls, obviously not that one. It might be that one. Alt is one of these. Maybe this one is Alt. This one is definitely a Shift. And a Shift. I guess there's no difference in a left shift and a right shift. Numbers are pretty easy. 1, 2. Oh wait, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's also a little tricky to figure out which arrow key goes where. Oops. Wait, I put one of those backwards. Oh, that's because that's actually the 9. My bad. Oh, I'm gonna get banned from keyboard streaming. 8, 9. Control. That's the little control, I think. Enter. Delete. 10. 5. Q. W-E-R. Tab. slash there or forwards? I know which one's the backslash and which one's the forward slash. Ah, shit. I don't know which one goes where there. T. ASDFG, is that right? This is why people have like those trays and they take the keys off and put them in like a nice, clean, organized tray. But I didn't have that, so I just had them in a bowl. I guess I could look at a picture of the keyboard layout. That could also help me out. Actually, I'm going to do that. I'm going to cheat. Keyboard layout. I don't want a Dutch layout. Standard layout. There we go. Damn, I have so many Alt keys. The I goes below the 9. STZXC. K. G H J K. Period. Oh wait, something is backwards over there. I think it goes Alt. Hell. Oh, you know what? I could actually look at this one, not just some random one. There we go. Alt control function. We got in, delete, insert, Windows, LMN. See if I still know my alphabet. All right, I need that spring. Here's the spring. Doop. There we go. The only thing is I think that once I get this actually put together, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use it directly because I might have to get in there and muck around with the layout to make it actually GHJ. To make it actually like fit what I need. And if that's the case, then I might be slightly wasting my time here. Oh, that is like a little scratch on it. Oh, that's okay. Square brackets. Oh wait, you know what I want to do? Actually, I saw a thing the other day where people could like make polls, but I don't know how to do that. Maybe it's like some special plugin thing. I don't know. If when I finish this, I'm either going to work on adding a CSV uploader to my map app to Contour, so that you could basically upload like a CSV that had lat longs and stuff, and it would just figure it out and geometryfy it. Because right now you can only upload like geometry formats and stuff like that. So you're going to do that, or I was going to work on adding a better upload progress bar, basically. So like right now when you upload, you just get this circular spinner. There's no actual tracking of like how much data is going and what the speed and, you know, estimated time and all that stuff. So obviously it would be nice to have something better there. So if you have opinions, if you would rather see me stumble through reading readmes of JavaScript libraries for doing uploads, or do some Scala CSV nonsense, those are the options. Control. Oh yeah, the control is over there. Interesting. All right. Oh, I'm missing one. The arrow. All right. It's back anyway. Whatever your heart wants. So it's like I really like deglossed the space bar. I've like used it so much, but all right, interesting. Let me see. I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens. The stuff that I don't know what it's gonna do with is like the control keys and things like that, because there used to be on the original board there was like a way on the bottom where you could switch those things. Oh, does this not fit in there? Oh dang, there's like to get a different cable because that one doesn't fit in the thing. Let's try this one. Luckily I have a zillion mini USB cables lying around. Okay, I think that works. Ugh. Should uncoil this. Oops, sorry about that. Bumped the mic stand. Alright. Got that in. Let me get rid of this other one. Don't need that. Oh, see, there's the first one. Oh. Well, maybe it's not working at all now. Hold on. Maybe I don't have it plugged in all the way. Oh, my bad. Don't have it plugged in all the way. Okay. Okay, that is the right one. Oops, I guess I can delete my starting soon. I guess I can make this smaller. Alright, I had to make this super tiny to fit that on there. Oh, this caps lock is what's on there, so that's going to be annoying. So I don't have the control switch with the caps lock. I don't know how much I use control and caps lock in practice that will actually be a problem. Let's see what's the actual control. It's down here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. That's actually going to be really annoying. I'm probably going to have to like just come back and use it later. So normally I switch the control and the caps lock, and if I don't have that, the muscle memory is going to be really annoying. Yeah, okay. So this is almost done. It looks like it's going to work, but I need to still... There's a way basically you can put like a custom layout, and then you actually use this little button on the bottom and reset the firmware or something. So for next time. But that's good. That means next week, by Monday, I'll have my real keyboard back instead of this backup one that I've been using. Oh, all right, great. Now I can put this back up. What's up, fam? Oh man, that webcam is hot. The webcam is doing its work. I'm actually a lot. I'm going to open the window. Let me unmute that mic. Oh wait, I guess I can get rid of this mat too now. I'm done with that. My desk is all sorts of disarranged. All right. Oh God, don't know what that is. Oh God, so many buffers here. All right. So let me check my handy dandy, my Notion that Yeti turned me onto here. So yeah, add real upload progress tracker. Right now we just have the green loading spinner. I think this is public. I think you guys can actually see it. Yeah. I don't think you can edit it, but you can see it. And then we have support TSV. I don't know. I might mess around with the file upload. That's like been annoying me for a long time. I'm at least gonna research it. I'm at least gonna go and see if I can figure out what the path and the options would be. Let me make sure I'm on the latest of everything. Make a branch file upload progress bar. Okay. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Oh wait, maybe a little bigger. Oops. All right, I gotta start all my stuff. Start my web server. Start my JavaScript UI, whatever asset business. And let's see. What time is it? Oh, it's almost beer 30. I'm gonna get a beer at 5. All right. I guess I don't need this. Thanks, Hasu, my Japanese keyboard friend. You're a pal. All right, so basically we go in here, logged in, and I do my thing, and we select it, and then we do it. Okay. Upload form. I haven't looked at this code in a while. File, upload, source form. Yeah. Spinner. There's a spinner. Okay. So that's cool. I literally know nothing about this. HTML, JavaScript, HTML, upload, progress bar. I don't even know, honestly, if I'm doing the uploads with a API, with a like library, or if I'm just like YOLOing it with some browser thing. Upload files. Upload grant. Fetch. Grant URL. Oh, okay, that's right. There. Okay, this is not the actual upload because there's 2 steps. You basically like hit the server and you get back a signed, like, because the uploads go direct to like cloud storage from the browser. So you hit the server and it like auths you and then gives you back a signed URL that you can like actually upload to. So this one, upload files, is actually to get the grant. That's what an upload grant is. And then after that, then you go in and you actually say process. Is that right? Hold on a second. Yeah. I think that's right. Oh no, maybe I'm wrong. File grants, put. Oh, you just literally do a put and then you put the file in there. Okay, interesting. Sorry, I'm wrong. This one actually does upload it. Okay, I just can't remember the code that I wrote. File grants, find, fetch, grant URL. Oh, I don't think my freaking TypeScript thing is working. Let me see. This thing is always kind of a pain. There it is. Dot. Okay, that works. Okay, so it is actually this one. Okay. Okay, let's go read a freaking article. That's what we really need right now. And a code pen, that could be good. So, I mean, I guess basically the question here is like, do you pull in some React library or is it simple enough that you can do it yourself? Oh, geez, there's like styling and stuff involved. And you actually, it's like possible that because I'm just literally doing it with HTML fetch, but maybe that's not even going to work. Fetch versus XML HTTP request for browser, or sorry, for upload progress. Upload progress indicators for fetch. Maybe this isn't even possible. They won't arrive in fetch for now. Oh, geez. So you might have to do this kind of thing without fetch, which is... Oh, Axios. You can use a upload progress. That's interesting. I would use Axios. I don't even have Axios already in there. No, I don't have it in here, but I would pull that in. It's like pretty small. For uploads, browser only. Do what you want with the native. Huh. Dang, I might try that. Oh. npm install -save Axios. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna get some water. All right, now we got Axios. All right, let me see. Is there an import? It's just like import. Oh wait, import Axios from Axios. There it is. Axios includes TypeScript definitions. Freaking love it. All right, I have to figure out the API here. Opening Git pod. I don't even know what that is. That sounds cool though. All right, what is the method? The method is request config. Axios.put. Okay, so Axios.put grant URL. Oh wait, hang on, this gives the doc. Wait, where'd it go? Okay, Axios.put URL data config. I guess I can just put data as my file. And then my config is, so the thing is, if I can make this work, like if this Axios thing does actually have progress events and it actually will give them to me, then what I will have to do is like make this take a callback for, oh, look who it is, Tibia99. Oh my God, Katie is in here. I was telling them about your okie dokie a minute ago. Everyone says you're weird because you say okie dokie all the time. No, actually they said it's fun and cool and everyone should say it. Make this take a callback for pushing back update events whenever there is upload progress. It's a good bone. One of the better bones. Which one? Wait, hold on. Tibia is in your leg? My art teacher would, oh, Tibia is a massively multiplayer online role-playing game. Oh, it's the shin. The old shin. That is a good bone. Oh, my art teachers are all about gastrocnemius. They fucking love gastrocnemius. They love the soleus somewhat, but yeah. And the tibia, yeah, good stuff. Has big contour. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. So true. All right, what was I even doing here? I got confused. Okay. On upload progress. Function progress event. Oh, amazing. This thing even knows. That's like so cool. Upload progress. And select the event. All right, so that is, this is what I had before. I'll just leave comments like a bad person. And then, so it's gonna chain it together, same as usual. All right, so that, yeah, okay, we can try it. Let's go upload a freaking file. Let's see if there's events. That's what I'm curious to know, like what this gives you and what it does and all this mess. I want a smaller, what's a small file? Here, there, that's 387 kilobytes. Upload? Oh. Okie dokie. I guess maybe I need to upload something large enough that I can see, like, that it has actually some time to run. How about this one? Oh, progress. There they are. Holy cow, that's so cool. Okay, so this is something, we could do something with this. Oh, something failed, but res.text. Yeah, this doesn't work. Axios result. I don't know what res has. Oh wait, I guess the docs might tell us. Oh wait, actually this thing might know. Dot JSON. Oh, I think that I think the API here, because I think in standard browser fetch that what you get is actually a promise out of res.text. Oh, so this is not a response. Okay, let's look at Axios again. Response schema. Data. I'm going to delete that. Yeah, okay. Data, status, config, request. Okay, so it's a little bit different response schema. Res.status equals 200. I don't even know actually honestly if it is 200, but we'll check it. Because it could be, there might be some weird like HTTP status for your upload succeeded or whatever. Axios result, res, okay. Status 200. I don't even need a promise here. I think the reason I had to do that is because I think in standard fetch the text, let's see, fetch JS text. I think that res.text returns a promise. Yeah, okay. So that's why I had like promise resolve. So I could just return grant here. So Axios is actually going to be a little simpler than even just doing this by hand. Of course, it's like a gnarly dependency you got to pull in, but whatever. Res dot else, I don't know, throw an error. Yeah, love it. Just throw an error. Res dot data dot. I don't even know what the data is. Data response. Okay, I don't know. Sure, res dot data. All right, now, so that'll go. So, okay, that at least would, let's see if that works and doesn't like crash on us. That'll be the main thing. Let's see if we can get, I wonder if does this tank the bitrate on the stream if I'm uploading like big files? I don't know. Progress, 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 progress. So nice. This will be so nice. I don't have to just watch the spinner. If we can get this to work. Okay, that worked. Now we're like processing in the background. All right, that's fine. I can do that later. I think that might fail or something. Oh yeah, it actually did. My bitrate just went yellow for a second. RIP. Okay. Okay, I don't even need that anymore. Promise.all uploads. Then grant. It's one grant many files. I can't even really remember how that works actually. Yeah, grant.grants. One grant many multiple files. Upload grant. Grant. So that's why we just return one here. I don't even need. I think what I should really return here is the URL. Because that, I mean, not that I'm actually doing anything with that data, but if I cared, that is the URL that was being returned. Okay, so then if I had this, what I would do. So set state is uploading true. I would basically need to, like, before I upload, we need to get total size of all uploads. I guess eventually I'll have to do them file by file, but I might be lazy for the start and just do like one big giant progress bar that's like the whole thing. Ugh, I don't know. Maybe I should, let's see. React.js upload progress bar. There's got to be something. With Axios, I love it. Oh, Spring Boot, I don't love it. The thing with the React stuff is like sometimes there's like some cool component, but sometimes the process of integrating with it is like just as tedious as if you had done it yourself on upload progress. HTTP. Oh wait, HTTP common. I want Axios. Oh. They don't. Oh, maybe it's called HTTP common now. All right. Sorry, I aborted too early there. Page. Okay, here's some React code. Oh man, there's a lot, a lot going on in here. That looks not the worst. All right, I just want to get. Okay, so far, no, it's not like everyone's just like use this library or whatever. People are like, here's how you write it. So that's actually encouraging because it means maybe I'm not an insane person for trying to roll it myself by hand. Oh, this is interesting. There's some code. Holy shit, there's a lot of code. There's like all these files over here. What in the hell? I don't have time for that. Where's the actual stuff? Constants, containers, form. What even is this? I don't actually know how to read big, complicated React code. Ajax. Else this is just totally rolling it themselves. Oh god, there's like RxJS and stuff. All right, here's an on progress. Where is that? On progress, do what? What are you doing? If e.length computable. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Let's check that. E dot. What is the, okay, Axios does not seem to have that. What is the signature for this thing in Axios? Oh, native progress event. Okay, HT browser, JS browser progress event. What is this thing and what does it have? Length computable. A Boolean flag indicating if the time were to be done. Okay, I don't know why it would not be. I don't know what it means when it's not measurable. That's interesting, but maybe it is. Oh wait, actually I can also check. I guess I have examples. Oh no, I cleared it. Damn it. All right, that's okay. Loaded and total. Okay. A 64-bit unsigned int. They even have 64-bit unsigned ints in JavaScript. I thought they only had like 50-something bit ints or some weird thing. I thought everything was like a float. All right, whatever. We'll see. If e dot. Sorry, I forgot it already. Length. The fact that I'm not getting type completion here is not making me feel super great, but else. Not computable. RIP. All right, there's the raw progress event. Is computable. And then what I do is what that person did. You just divide loaded over total. And I might make some kind of type and like give them all back, I guess. We'll see. Maybe. That might be good. Oh, I guess I could try that one. I don't know. Where does that even upload? What do you do if you upload a file upload example in CodePen? Where does it like upload to? Oh, God. Loaded is not defined. Is computable. Did I use the wrong thing? No, it says loaded. Oh, sorry. E dot. Oh, that should not have compiled, actually. Is it because I didn't restart this after I added Axios? Promise string. Oh. It's not. Okay. Oh, wait. So what I get out of that is actually upload grant file. That's what I need. Sorry, I had some type mix up there. File grant.url, grant URL, return, file grant. Oh God, I can't type. Grant. So the compiler was complaining about me in the background. All right, URL. Oh yeah, whoops. Some other problem. Oh, whoops. I have to actually upload. Okay. Ah, percentage. I guess it's times 100. Yeah. There it goes. Okay. That is cool. Okay. So either I'm going to basically have to have like a bunch of little bars like stacked up, or I have to make one big bar. I guess it's even honestly better to have multiple bars just because they're clean that way. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna do that. We'll wire it up. That'll be cool. Upload progress. Okay, so this will have a grant file. This will have a, what is it? I'm just going to give the whole thing. Loaded, number, total, number. And that'll be good. And then the question is, so the problem now is these are, I'm going to have like a bunch of different events. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I just will have a callback here on progress. And this is going to be a function of... Oh, wait, I need to import that. Let's see if the compiler or if the editor can upload progress. Yep. It'll be a function of upload progress to void. How do you write that in TypeScript? Like that? Maybe? I think that is how you write it. Oh wait, is it 5? Oh shit, I missed 5 o'clock. I missed beer o'clock. Okay, I'm gonna go get a beer in a second, but okay. Yeah, if it's da 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 da. I guess I don't know when I wonder when that length computable is ever false. HTTP progress event length computable false. When would it not be computable? Why is it false? Yeah, that's what I want to know. Loaded, link total, content. I mean, the server never sent a content length header in the response. Okay, well, ours does. So ours is straight up going to cloud storage, so I suspect they'll do the right thing. So I'm just gonna gamble on the fact that it's gonna be there, and we're not worried too much about the else case. I'll leave that there. But so anyway, if that happens, we literally just gonna say on progress of update equals loaded e.loaded total e.total. I'll just call this file instead of grant file. File grant. And then I'm gonna invoke the callback of the update. Okay. Okie dokie. All right, that's good. Oh, it's getting dark out here. Okay, and so then I'm gonna go back over here for a second. So what I will now do is like add new state property for upload progress management, and pass in callback to API function to push updates back into that state property. And then lastly, well, not lastly, but also use upload progress state to render in the UI. And for that, I will have to figure out some CSS/HTML for making a progress bar, which makes me sad, but I can figure it out. All right, hold on. This is where I was a minute ago. What was the one that was cool? It was blocks? No. 3D diagonal. No, not that one. Alpha. Oh, yeah. So cool. Oh, God. All right. BRB. I have to run to the kitchen. How do I turn my webcam off? There we go. All right, Now it is actually Lib Friday. I have my Highland Park. Hello, LA. All right, don't want to spill any on my desk. I'm drinking so much Highland Park beer during the pandemic. That's been like my go-to. Look at this. It uses like a little tiny tilde down there. That's funny. Okie dokie. Oops, that's not where I want to go. All right. How do you even represent this state? So where's my state? Oh, here's my state. Okay, so I have is upload. I have is uploading Boolean, like just true false, and then I'm gonna need something like interface upload progress. Should I use a map? Is this where I would use a map? JS. Oops. ES6 map in TypeScript. Because I was thinking I could have a map of like map. What did I call it? Upload progress. Oh, dang, I don't have it in here. Upload progress. Yeah, I could have map, upload, state. I don't know. I could have a map of grant, upload grant file. So the grant to the progress event. I could have that. I could just have an array of them, honestly. Although then the problem is I need to update them. So the map is good because I can update them. So that's actually better. Yeah, okay. I'm just going to move that one in there and then res map. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. So actually, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. I never made up. I don't know if I've done a map in JS before, but we can make it work. Yeah, okay. Yep. So is uploading Boolean, upload state, upload state. And then I need my initial state. How do I even do that? Actually, screw it. I'm just gonna take that out and leave it where it was. Is uploading. Oh, here it is. Okay, the initial state is there. Upload state. How do you even construct one of these suckers? New map. Yep. It's just like Java. How do we get different music? Hey, that's nice. All right, get okay, so that'll be in there, and so then I need to set my callback now. Oh wait, sorry, I'm in the wrong spot. Upload progress. e upload progress, and the function here is void. I guess I'll be explicit. Request upload grant upload files. This dot upload dot bind this. All right, let's just run this and I'll see if I receive the callbacks. Received progress callback from a component. So see if that works like it did before, just now from the component instead of from inside the API stuff directly. Oops, did my thing even... Oh god, I have all kinds of messes over here. I better go and fix this. I should have checked this before. Okay. 377, cannot invoke, who likes a call signature. Type upload progress. Okay, so I probably did the callback signature wrong. TypeScript anonymous function signature. How do you even do that? Oh, you have to give it a variable name? That's interesting. Okay. Okay. So event to type is how it looks like. Okay, so that'll help some. Okay, yep. Cannot find name, upload grant file. See if it'll import that. Map any. Oh god, I made it a map any. Okay. Upload state. Oh yeah, I guess I just can call this upload progress. Uploads, and it's gonna be just that. Should I make it or null so that I can track the empty state, or should I make it just an empty map? I'm gonna make it or null. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make it not null. Because I think it'll make the updating step easier if it's not nullable. All right. Known properties upload state. This is actually progress or upload progress. Yep. Oh. Did we compile? We compiled. Great. Oh, I forgot to check my browser console. Upload. Oh, we got progress. Excellent. I should have logged the actual thing I was getting, but that's great. That's great. Oh, it's okay, Ian. I think we're troll safe, but I appreciate your vigilance. All right. To do redirect here. I am redirecting there. I guess I don't need the to do anymore. Great, good job. Okay, so I need to now basically take this current status this dot state dot how set you set the key e dot file e something like that. This dot set state upload progress. Oops. So grab it out of there, set the key. So the keys are going to be the files, and then the keys are going to be the files, and the values are going to be the progress events or whatever that sort of composite type that I made. And then I can just do that. And now let me actually, now I can actually render it into the UI in some way. So I guess where it'll go. So I'll have this thing, we'll select, or let me get the big one. And then it'll click this. So wherever, basically where the spinner goes. If this data is uploading and this state upload size keys size is size a function or a property? It is a property. Okay. If the size is greater than 0. Whoops. Return, I don't know, freaking something. I wonder if there's like a tailwind thing. That would be amazing if there's a tailwind thing for this, because I don't know how to even start on implementing this, but we will come to that in a second. We'll come to that in a second. I'm just going to say, okay, so I basically need to map over them. Can you even map over them? This.state.upload. I just want to save that. Prog dot for each. Okay, that's interesting. You can for each on a thing. You get value map. It takes properties, value, and key. Is that how it works? JS. Oh wait. JS map for each. Value and key. Oh, that's interesting. So it's actually value and then key. That's not confusing at all. Okay. For each. Is that what it said? Value and key. Okay. I really just need the value, I guess. Okay. Can I just get the values? Can I just call dot values? Oh, I can. Okay, great. Oh, can I get it as an array? I guess that's fine. Because I'm using the key and value just to basically dedupe it, but the data is actually the same, so that is cool. Yo, Amig211. Amig211. I don't know who you are, but you followed me and that's great. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you got any questions or want to know what we're working on or anything. All right, so... Oh, this is Aiden. Oh, there we go. Oh, Aiden Mig. Yo, there he is. Yo, Aiden is my... To all the 3 viewers in the chat, Aiden is my mentee from Turing, and he just finished Mod 1, so... Here's a sip of hearty ale for you, Aiden. Is it like dumping snow in Denver? Actually, I should go. Denver... Oh, that's some flakes. You got flakes all over the place. I guess I just doxed where Aiden lives a little bit, but that's okay. Ryan Osborne. I feel like I used to know a person called Ryan Osborne. Friday night. Traveling 30s. Oh, chance of drizzle. No problem. Just a chance of drizzle. Is this an upslope storm? I feel like that's always the thing in Denver, is the upslope storm. All right. What was I even doing? Okay, so I have my values, and else equals vals dot map. Oh, vals dot Oh man, there's no map on a freaking thing. Oh god, how do you deal with a freaking JS iterator to array? Array.from. That sounds rad. Array like iterable object. Map. There we go. Now I got it. Status. Return something. So okay, I'm sorry. What I'm trying to do here is make an element because I need an element for each row. God, what even? Status dot file. Yep. Dot file name. Yep. And then percent equals status dot loaded over status dot total. How do you JS? And this. Okay, so this is actually just the number. So times 100 JS. Int JS decimal to int. I want to. Oh, Creon is live. Dang, I might have to go kill my stream and go watch Creon. Oh man, that's fun. JS float. I want to round. That's what I want. The word JS round float to int. Float number to a whole number. There we go, baby. Math.floor, math.ceil, math.round. I don't know. That's actually like straight up might do a thing. I have, oh wait, oops, I got to put all my things in there. How do you put them all in there? God, I don't even know React so badly. L's. Does that work? Can you just like dump an array of L's in there? Let's see. Oh, let's see if this compiles. Oh, it compiles. Good. Oh, I better refresh this sucker. Aiden, what you got planned for your week off, or your week quote unquote off? Because I know they load you all up with work and stuff. Nielsen DMAs. Oh, son of a bitch! There's no. It's not okay. So that didn't work. So I'm not getting my markup. Oh, you know what? Because I didn't put this in the thing. I made this whole function for making the thing, but I didn't actually put it in my markup. This dot progress. Fucking A. Like a noob. Oh my god. So cool. It works. It just says a percent. Who even needs a bar when you got a cool percent? Yo, you came to the right place. Yeah, play in the snow. I'm also learning HTML, CSS basics on this stream. Amazing. Play in the snow, yeah. Yeah, whatever, you know, US CSS HTML expert, don't laugh at me. All right, now the thing to do, because I have to style it, and obviously I don't want to be styling it while it's like I don't have to like upload a thing every time I want to style it. So I guess what I got to do is in my initial state, I can populate it. Thinking like a smart developer. Dummy equals new map, upload grant file, comma what, comma upload progress. Wait, am I crazy? Is it? It is upload progress, yeah. Damn, my freaking thing is just not, my TypeScript Emacs mode is not helping me out right now, but A equals new equals A is upload grant file. What goes into that? Grant URL, or maybe just URL. Oh man, I have to go back to this thing is not working great. This is too. I upgraded all my stuff to. I changed all my Emacs stuff to use package, and since I did that, shit just does not. Mostly everything works really well, but the TypeScript one is like the one that I haven't really been able to get it working right. It's file name and URL. No complete for that. File name. Okay, file name it knows. Pizza.geojson, and then URL. HTTP example pizza.geojson. That's A. Here's B. Calzone. Okay. So that's A and B, and then I need my values. What does the progress have on it? I should remember that one, but I don't. File is A. Loaded is 50, and total is 100. And then, oops. B 75. Okay. Dummy dot set a b prog or a prog. Dummy dot set b prog. All right, so I'm populating some dummy data, and then instead of having this empty map, what I will have is my dummy data. Oh, and I'll say is uploading true. Let's see. If I am right and this works, then I should be able to load this and it'll act like it's in. Nope. Dang. Why don't I have my spinner? See what my initial state was. That obviously didn't work. Dang, it's getting dark. I'm getting very washed out over here. Is uploading true? Upload progress. Do I have to populate input files too? Wait, this isn't even used. Has file uploaded and even used. What the hell? Oh, yeah, my file list. Oh, here we are. Upload button, extensions. What in the world? Boy, I have not looked at this code in a hot minute, TBH, so it's giving me a second to kind of remember what all is going on here. And my Friday afternoon beer is not maybe necessarily helping. But it is Lib Friday, so that part is good. Boy. All right, I think I don't see anywhere that I'm actually doing it, but I feel like Yep, okay, so this actually, I think I must have some conditional thing. File upload source form. Is that even in there? It is. Huh. Oh, okay. You have to actually have a thing. That's why. Okay, great. Let's just freaking put true there. I knew there was some validation there. Okay. So here's what it looks like. It looks like a kind of a hot mess, TBH. But that's okay. Okay, so I need a key. Always warning you about that key. That's the first thing. God damn it, where's that thing? Okay, here it is. So my key can be my URL. Status.file.url. Okay, that's good key. I'll get rid of that warning at least. Okay, so I guess once I'm uploading, I don't need to show these extensions, but I can do that later. I need to put them in a. What am I doing? I'm doing some kind of flex stuff here because it's weird that shows up next to it. Yeah, flex row reverse. I just want to put this below. I have to do that weird React thing to splat them. So I'm just going to put this in another row below the spinner. And then I'm going to want to put it, I guess, on the right side. I guess right side is nice. I might eventually take out the spinner. I don't know if I need the spinner and the frickin' percents, but div class name equals flex row reverse. And then, oh wait, whoops, shit, wrong thing. Where's my progress? Hold on, let me pull that up next to this. God, this file is too big to see. Okay, I can do it here. Class name equals flex row reverse. Oh. Well, hold on a second. Div. I just want the whole thing over there. I don't want them to be in line like that. Good, good, good. Looking good. Now we need some typography. Maybe a little strong. I don't know. Not the worst thing in the world. I don't need to say uploading. Well, I feel like I have it say uploading ... and I have the spinner and I have the things with the percentages, which is like a little bit goofy. So maybe that is kind of silly, but what I would need to do is bump that around somehow. I don't know. I guess I would get rid of this. I would get rid of the uploading ... and keep the spinner and keep the percentages. Yeah, screw it. That could be nice. I don't know. It does look a little weird now, actually. But that's all right. All right, let's try it. I think that'll actually be okay. I think this is like, it's like pretty janky. Like it's not as nice as like a real bar, which I might eventually put in a real bar, but it's not the worst thing in the world. All right, I gotta comment all my dummy data out. No more dummy data. I just want new map. Oops. Oh wait, did that work? Oh, shit. I put is uploading true. I didn't change that back. My bad. All right. Oh wait. Oh, actually, hold on. Here's what I need to do: is I need to upload a shape file because the shape file has a bunch of things at once. 90 megs. That's a lot. Okay, this is not bad. This is This is 16 megs. Okay, let me upload. So I want the DBF. I want the SHP. Screw it. I'll just upload all these. I don't know what the XMLs do. I'm gonna skip. Okay, so I'm gonna upload like 5 files. Let's see. This should go quickly, or some of them should go quickly, and then. Yo, so sick. Here they go. Yeah, that's not the worst thing in the world. A progress bar would be nicer for sure. But once I have this, I can mess with it later. Dang, it is not the fastest in the world. And my bitrate, my Twitch bitrate. Oh no, RIP Twitch bitrate. That's while you're testing your file uploads is not a good time to be streaming. Make a rainbow progress bar? Yeah, that's a good idea, Yini. Maybe I will do it. I don't know if I will. All right. Well, so okay, that's it. These are working. They're running in the background now. Actually, the background is kind of slow. TBH. I'm a little surprised. I guess it's because I'm like streaming and running on my CPU. Although I'm only at 48% CPU, so I don't know. In a second, this should eventually kick in and be like, here, you have some real data. Go and do it. I wonder if it crashed and didn't tell me. I just have a million status update checks there. Running background task. I don't know. Completed. Oh. RIP. Not eligible for import due to too many vertices. Okay, that's all right. That's good. That's good error. Good validation. Hey, what's up, OX80H? Talk yesterday. They used Scala and Play. Let me see. Who are they? Let me check them out. Oh wait, no, wrong place. QCon 2018. Sound cool. This is neat. I'll have to check it out. It's kind of long. It's like 40 minutes. I'm gonna save it. Pinboard it. Do y'all use Pinboard? Oh shit. I don't know if that worked actually. I think I hit enter when I shouldn't have. Oops. And this is to read. Okay. Designing microservice architecture is the right way. Yeah, people in Scala are really big on microservice stuff. Flow.io, I've heard of that. What is it? What does it do? Oh, maybe I haven't heard of it. It's not what I thought it was. Cross-border e-commerce. Wow, that's interesting. That's kind of cool. I've never heard of this. It's not the thing that I was thinking of. That is cool. Yo, OX80H, I wrote actually we were talking about the pipeline stuff. I wrote a whole blog post about it. It's like, it was up on the Scala subreddit this week if you saw it, but that's like kind of like some of the stuff we were talking about before about how I was doing some of the web request pipeline kind of stuff. Yeah, this is cool. I have to check this out. It's not too many peeps out there doing a ton of Scala for like web stuff. So it's neat to see that. I was watching this guy earlier. Hold on, I wonder if I could find, what was it called? Jesus, oh, maybe I followed them. Hold on, let me see if I can find them. I was watching this guy earlier who was working on literally like a browser-based MMO in Scala.js, which was like kind of cool. How do I find like people that I follow? Friends, subscriptions. Damn, I don't even know how to find this stuff. Well, shit. I'm not gonna be able to find it right now. Anyway, it was cool. There was like this guy in Germany was like working on Scala.js, like browser stuff, which I feel like you don't see too much of. All right, but today we're not doing any Scala.js. We're just doing browser stuff, and we're just doing uploads. But this is actually cool because this is something I've been meaning to do for like a while, and the fact that it actually works. I'm like far left bottom of the. Yo, Eric Louie. Yo, that's funny. I remember Eric. What's up, Eric? Far left bottom of the followed panels. Hold on. Now I've lost it. Followed channels. Go away. Yeah, it was one of these people. It's like half DJs and half coding people. God, I follow so many people now. Y'all just seeing all my Twitch business right now. See who I follow. Damn, I can't find him actually. I just don't remember what it was called. I don't recognize. Eric said he saw it, but oh, okay. Yeah, images are good. Following. Oh yeah, up there. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna find it right now. There's too much going on in here. It's not one of these live videos overview. I just need a list. I just need like a top to bottom list. Oh, maybe I just Google. They were from Munich. What was it called? Online. It was like kind of cool, like 8-bit looking thing. This is, I don't know. I'm like way so deep on this tangent. This super does not matter right now. Anyway, all right, whatever. If I think of it, maybe next stream I'll post it or something. It was cool. Scala stuff is cool, but yeah, the Scala JS, it like seems so cool, but I have certainly personally not used it myself, but it was interesting to see somebody doing like a big project in it because I feel like it's kind of a little bit obscure. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna do one more here just for gratuitous validation. Oh yeah, percentages. Okay, so that's cool. I think that's actually pretty good. Maybe next time I might come back and I'll put like a nice bar or something like that. Actually, I wonder Tailwind CSS upload progress bar. I wonder if somebody's done a Tailwind thing for that because that would be a nice way for me to get it for free. I wonder if I actually bought Tailwind UI, and I wonder if it has a progress bar. God, I don't even remember where I put it. No. Maybe under ebooks. No, I don't. Fuck, I have to go look for this later. I don't remember where I even saved it. All right, I don't know. There might be a Tailwind UI. Oh, it's all online. That's why, because you don't actually have a thing. Marketing, no. React and Vue support is coming. Cool. I appreciate that since I paid a lot of money. Yeah, this thing is kind of interesting. I bought it. I'm not sure, to be honest, that I've got enough value out of it for what I paid, but it is kind of cool. Like just being able to like copy paste some stuff out of it. I don't see anything about file upload. Form layouts. That's interesting. Labels stacked. There's like that thing, which I already have. Anyway, at some point I'm gonna have to figure out how do you make a freaking bar with like a thing filled in and drag it across or whatever. But I don't know how to do it off the top of my head. Progress bar. Yes, okay, excellent. Filled. How do you set? You literally set width. Okay, that's cool. You set width and then you do percentages. Yeah, just get the percentage. Yeah, exactly. These these people in chat know. There's even multiple colors and stuff. I don't even need multiple colors, but it's cool that I could. Wait, actually, that is what you wanted, Manny Hands, the rainbow. But I'm not going to put a rainbow bar. We don't need that. I'm just going to put like a nice green bar like everything else on the site. Yeah, okay. Should I just do that now? What time is it? It's 6, almost 6. All right, hold on. I'm just going to mess with this real quick. You just make a rounded thing and you give it a background and then you make a child. Yeah, Flash loading. Yeah, if only I was making a Flash app. I could make the best maps app in Flash in 2021. That would be my claim to fame. Oh my god. Well, shit, I can't wrap up now because I have this raid of 39 people coming in here. Oh my god, welcome raiders. Large data bank. I was actually looking at your stream earlier. You're the person who works on CockroachDB. That's like super, super cool. This is the raid. Yeah, exactly. And welcome to the raid. Wow. Well, welcome, gang. Yeah, no trolls allowed for sure. I don't actually, it's funny because I noticed a lot of people when you go into Twitch and you go in their chat, they have like that thing you have to click, like it's sort of like a code of conduct. It's like the rules are this. I don't have that yet. I have to figure out how to set it up. Well, thank you so much for the raid. It's cool to see y'all. We have been hacking on adding a little upload bar. I'll show y'all more in a second. But what were y'all doing today? How was your stream? How did it go? Nice Friday. You're on the East Coast, right? So that's like kind of late for you, actually. It's like 9 p.m. over there. Oh, yeah, y'all missed the keyboard content, sadly, but we did do it earlier. So I have this Leopold. This is my like daily driver Topre board. I'll show you what it is. I've had this thing for like years. It's just, it's like nothing super, super fancy, but it's super stable for me and been really nice. Oh yeah. Yeah. Late night stream. Yeah. Bachelor streaming, whatevs. That is cool. That is really neat. I actually have been I've always wanted to use CockroachDB I've listened to several podcasts and conference talks and stuff about it. I would like to try it out on a project sometime. The thing that we're working on in this stream is about, thanks for stopping by, Eric. It was nice to see you. Been a while, but I hope you're doing good. The thing that we're working on here is a map app, and so I've been wanting. Someday I want to learn about some of the geo stuff in CockroachDB and know what they have. Topre splits. It's a really interesting question. So I think the I'm not like a keyboard expert, TBH. I kind of have a few that I use, but I think that my understanding is Topre boards are much harder to do custom stuff. So you don't see as much of the crazy, all the crazy stuff where people make custom split things and curved things and all this mess. I feel like you don't see it as much on Topre because I think that how the switches work, the switch has to basically kind of be melded into the PCB, and so it's hard to kind of do your own super custom thing. So that's why there's basically there's these Leopold ones, and then there's the HHKB that a lot of people have, this is the one that famously Richard Stallman uses, I think, the HHKB. Yeah, he's famous for having this thing and carrying it around with him to he'll just literally carry it around to conferences and stuff like that. So anyway, so there's the HHKB, and then there's these Leopold ones like I have, and then there's this one called Real Force, which I guess actually is apparently, it looks like based on this thing, is the same company as HHKB. So anyway, the point is, yeah, there's not too many, but you use some weird thing, some weird, cool, super fancy split thing, right? I think I saw that from your stream before. Oh, look. Teja, put the HHKP. Yo, I've been watching Teja a lot, actually. I think he's like, it's like, sounds so stupid, but it's so fun. Iris keyboard. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Wow, this is wild. This is very small. Yeah. And you like it? You like it okay, even for like coding and stuff? I have your full convert. Wow, that's a good endorsement. I have used an Ergodox. Like I've made a fair go in the past at using an Ergodox, and the thing I found with the Ergodox, honestly, it was like I feel like what it's really good at is like keeping your upper body posture better because it like spreads your arms, you know, and so you're not like so hunched. But I found that the thumb cluster was too wide for me, and so I felt like everything that I was gaining on my shoulders by spreading and having better upper body posture, I felt like I was losing because I was putting more weight into more like tension into my thumbs and stuff. So this looks cool because I like how the thumb is more like underneath rather than the thumb being like way out here. It's like kind of underneath, which looks kind of promising. So that is cool. I don't know. I'll check this out. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. It was like a little too wide. I see everyone nowadays has these moon landers. That's like the thing everyone's obsessed with right now. That looks, well, actually, I don't know. I have to look at it side by side with the Ergodox. I don't know if it's the same or if it's any better, but anyway, that's super cool. Is CockroachDB free? I actually don't know. Yeah, what's the answer? Is CockroachDB? I'm sure there's like a free tier or something. Frequently asked questions. Yeah, because it's like open source, or at least like mostly open source, right? So you could just run it yourself if you wanted to. Yeah. Source available, open core. Interesting. Yeah, that's cool. Super neat. It's pretty cool. Like, I feel like it's one of those things when you first hear about it, you're like, that'll never work. And then like y'all have been going at it and seem like evidence suggests that y'all have been able to make it work. And so that's pretty cool, you know? Just like it's like anytime you hear somebody's like, we're going to roll our own like distributed transaction layer and like all this mess. It's like, oh, that sounds dicey, but super interesting stuff for sure. We've been doing some much less interesting stuff. So I've been streaming for not very long. This is the second time I've been rated. The first time I got rated was literally the first time I ever went on Twitch, and I was like literally in here being like, I'm gonna learn how to run OBS and see if I could like make my stream work. And then like this guy Primogen, who's like I think a pretty like well-known like coding sort of streamer, he just like rolled in with all these people, and I was like, oh my god, what do I do? I didn't even have like a mic and all this stuff. So that was like, it was fine. I didn't like, melt down and cry or something. Like I got some nice, cool followers and met some people. So it was great. But, I certainly feel a little more prepared. I've done like maybe like 4 or 5 more streams in the interim now. So that was cool. But I very much appreciate y'all stopping by. Yeah, I got a few people stuck around, which is rad. So yeah, mostly what I've been doing on here is I work on this little web app that's like a mapping app, and it's actually live. Like this is running. It's contour.app, and you can sort of like upload geodata and it's kind of like a little bit inspired by OpenStreetMap. If you're familiar with OpenStreetMap, you can, people can edit data and do this stuff. But the thing with this is it's kind of like multi-tenant, like host your own OpenStreetMap projects. So here's like my, this is a map I've been accumulating of some places I go fishing in downtown LA, which is like a whole nother story. But yeah, you can go fish in the LA River in downtown LA. And so, I would like go in here and track some stuff on a map. So that's kind of what we've been working on. It's like some web dev. The back end is all in Scala, and the front end is like React, TypeScript stuff. So today what we've been working on is actually just some we've been working on making this upload. Oh wait, oh my god, I just forgot I'm on the prod one, not the local one that we've been working on. We've been working on making a little upload progress percentage thing, which has kind of been a stretch for me because I don't honestly know JavaScript that well. So now we got it as far as this, where you can see like file name and a percentage, which is cool. That's definitely better because literally before we just had the green circle spinner. So we were just now looking at some Tailwind CSS because that's what I'm using for all the styling in here. We were looking at saying like, is there some simple, quick and dirty way to make a progress bar in Tailwind? And it seems like there are some things. So I guess that's what I'm going to dive in next. But definitely anybody in the chat, say hi. Let us know what you've been up to. If there's anything you want to ask about, fire away. And thanks again so much for the raid. It's nice to have some new people stopping by. I'm also enjoying my my libfriday quaffable ale, which is the biggest treat of the whole situation. All right, so what do we got here? You basically make a bar, and then what you do is you make another thing inside of it, which gives you, I don't know why it has to have text white, but oh look, you can change the color. That's cool. Mine will be green like the rest of my app. Justify center, BG green. Yeah. Oh, actually, one more thing. Large data bank. I was actually looking, I think when I was on your stream earlier, I was looking at your blog post about your setup. So that's like, I haven't had a chance to go through it super thoroughly, but that was really useful because I had seen the Noopcat's post about her whole setup with the, just like how she does the OBS and the mic and the gear. So it was very cool to see another one of those from somebody who's kind of doing a lot of coding and that kind of stuff. So I'm looking forward to going back into that in more detail at some point. All right. Anyway, this is classic Tailwind. It's just like 80 CSS selectors in a trench coat, and like who knows what it does. I also don't know why it's relative. Like the relative part might not be relevant to me because of what we're doing. So I'm gonna go mess around with this. Let's see. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna put this back into dummy mode because I had put some dummy data in here before so that we could test it without. Can you pick the color of the trench coat? If you're using Tailwind CSS, there's definitely going to be a .trench-green 100 that you can use or something like that. Upload progress, dummy, and is uploading. Oops, true. If you on Twitter, it's like, hi, 3,000 likes. Yeah, that'll be that. If I just keep streaming for about 100 years, that'll be me one day. Yeah. No, I feel like she was one of the first people. At least she was the first. At least the first one I was really aware of who was like doing like live coding on Twitch and stuff. So I mean, she's kind of like obviously somewhat well known from that, and I enjoy watching her stream a lot. Yo, what's up, PBG? Coming in with your crew. Thanks so much for showing up. How's your stream? What you been working on today? I'm gonna skip a song. All right, where was I at? Oh, I missed some follows there a few minutes ago. Maywif and Right Joy-Con, thanks for following. Appreciate that. Hopefully, I'll hope to see y'all in the stream again someday. All right, sorry, what was I doing? I'm putting my thing into dummy mode because I want to be able to just test the styling of the upload state without having to literally click through the UI and upload files. And this is where we were at before, so let's see about that. Building a new app, shopping, health advisor. That's cool. Is it still? You were doing a lot of like spring stuff the other day, right? Like when I saw you before. Is it still that? Well, you missed it. You're a few minutes late, but I just got raided again by this lovely crew from Large Data Bank. They've been literally over there. They've been hacking on a distributed SQL engine and stuff like that. So then they rolled in to watch us struggle through some CSS. All right, let's see. Yeah, Spring and Java. Yeah, that's cool. I feel like Spring and Java is like having kind of a like renaissance. Like I feel like it was for a long time. It was like enterprise, like blah. No one wants to do this, and now it's kind of like maybe not exactly trendy, but it's kind of like, oh, here's like a sane way to do MVC web dev in Java or whatever. And I see all the stuff around like Grail native images like real big with Spring. Like I feel like they're like really into like how do you run Spring and like cloud functions with, you know, low startup times and all that stuff. It's kind of interesting to see all that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're getting rated hard everywhere, and all for a little progress bar. All right, overflow hidden, EG green, H2M. Yeah, okay. H2. I don't know how to. Oh, this is just width full, I guess. Okay, I have to think about this because the width is going to be kind of a mess, but I had to say, like, I don't know CSS like super well, but I have learned so much CSS since I started using Tailwind, because I feel like Tailwind is kind of like training wheels for CSS. Like just having the class names and having it all kind of like what is it? It's kind of like sensible defaults. Like it keeps me from, if I was having to roll this stuff myself, you know, by hand from scratch, I would just definitely make a huge mess of it. But since all I had to do is like apply their things, it's like I can kind of learn the structure of it or something without having to be like so deep into knowing like every little detail and stuff like that. Let me see. BG green. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick one. I'll come back and do this later. And then what I'm going to have inside of here is going to be a weird thing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what of all this stuff is actually going to be needed, so I'm going to come back and mess with that in a hot second when I get it going. Yo, I did. You missed it. I was just showing. I got my Leopold back in commission. Got it put together. I got the sorry, the folks who are already in here were seeing this all again, but what I did is I used this Hasu FC660C microcontroller. I used this like aftermarket like community alternate board. So like where's the thing? Yeah. So here's like the old one that was broken, and like this thing is where's the side of it? This thing is still all wobbly. Like this thing basically just over time it wore loose. I think it's kind of a flimsy connection. Sorry, the camera's not focusing very well, but you get the idea. And so yeah, so I ordered this one online. He shipped it from Japan, and I put it in there. You can see it has the like the old one has dip switches on here that you can customize certain things, and then this one has it's just like a firmware button basically. So you basically like plug it in and then you flash it, you know, from a USB or I guess you plug it in and flash it from your system somehow. And yeah, it does have QMK, which I honestly don't even know what that is, or TMK, QMK. It's like that's like the custom firmware basically. Where is this thing? So the part I haven't done yet is I need to come back in here and like mess with this, you know, because it's kind of cool. Like the reason I bought it, honestly, is so that I could replace the busted USB connection that I had before. But now that I have it, it's kind of cool that I can do all this like layer customization and layout customization and stuff. Yeah, you can do so much. I mean, I'm probably not going to do that much, to be honest, at the beginning, but we'll see. Like maybe I'll learn over time. But the first thing I have to do, because in the old one, you could use some of these dip switches to like swap the control and the caps lock, or like swap the alt and the thing, or do some basic like common things that people kind of like tweak around. You could do that with these dip switches, and now you have to do that with, you know, with the QMK or the TMK or whatever. And so the only reason I'm not typing on it right now is because the default like out of the box state doesn't have my alt like my modifiers mapped in the place that I want them and all that kind of mess. So So I'll have to come back sometime when I'm like not on stream and have time to kind of poke around and figure out how to use this. I'll have to mess with that. But yeah, it's cool. And I don't know, this other board I have is good. I mean, so the other one I have is just the cherry red version of this basically, or where'd it go? I don't know, whatever. The cherry red version of that Leopold, and it's nice. I like it. It's not bad, but I don't like it quite as much as the Topre one. So I'll be excited to get that back in commission. Let's see. Do I have a bar now? What was I even doing? Oh, hey, it's a bar. Amazing. Let's round that sucker. Example for Emacs user. Control on semicolon. Oh, wow. That's right. You do. What is the word for that? Like when you hold it versus when you tap it, it has different behavior. Yeah, I've never really messed around with that, but it sounds potentially very powerful. Oops, I messed something up. Oh, whoops, it doesn't like class name. Yeah, that sounds cool. I might have to mess around with that. Hey, rounded bars. Oh, amazing. Maybe this is not going to be as bad as I thought. Okay, so let's put this in there. I mean, when I first set out on this little feature, like a couple hours ago, I was imagining I was going to have to pull in some gnarly like React component or whatever. So I'm kind of glad that I have. Oh, yeah, it's because that's right. Because in React you don't do style with a string. You do it with a JS object. That's why that was not liking that. I thought I was gonna have to pull in some gnarly React component to do all this stuff, but it looks like maybe it's not gonna be so bad to do it myself. Oh, okay, the key. I moved everything down, so the key needs to go up here, so that'll stop complaining about me. Damn. All right, now let's go digging around in here and see what I can figure out. So obviously this width is not working the way I want. I think this needs a height on it, maybe. There's like all kind of stuff in here. There's all kind of stuff in here that I feel like maybe isn't needed. Yep. Okay. That's like what I want. And that one also needs to be rounded. This is the downside of Tailwind, I think, honestly, is like you go look at these examples and people are like, here's like 800 CSS classes tacked onto this div, and you don't really know like which one of them. Like, I don't think I need shadow none. I don't think I need flex on this or text. There's not going to be any text in it. I don't see why I need any of this text stuff at all, honestly. So it's like maybe I can just peel some of that off and make this thing work a little simpler. Yeah. Okay. No. So obviously something in there I did need because now it doesn't work. All right. Classic ritual of refresh. Yeah, flex deals with positioning. Yeah, but I usually flex is for doing positioning of the children, and in my case I don't have any children, so what did I screw up on there that... Oh, I forgot the height. I'm a dummy. H2. That was the whole thing I came in here to do. I came back to the editor to set the height and I forgot. Yeah, okay. Now we're good. Now let's go back. And do some pruning. I don't think I need, honestly, like any of this stuff. Let's try it without that. Okay. Looking at it good. I'm going to make the background a little lighter even, like maybe 7 and 3. I have like 10 shades of green that I just use like everywhere. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. Not the worst thing in the world. Let's try it for real. Let me see, where's that dummy data that I put in here? Dummy data, dummy thick. Is uploading false. Valid file is valid. Hold on, there's one more thing I had to mess around with to make this. I guess I can find it at a get. Which of these suckers? Here it is. Valid upload. There it is. All right, so now I should be back to the real state, not to my dummy. Okay, I'm gonna upload. I think I have some shape files. Oh, wait, 90 megs. That's huge. I don't want to upload that much. It'll take forever. Actually, I don't want to really upload this much, to be honest, because last time I tested one of these bigger uploads, it like halfway killed the stream for a few seconds because I was suddenly using all my upload bandwidth on that. But I don't know. Maybe that's the only option that I have. What do I have in here? Cycle Philly. Okay, there's 11. That's not bad. Let's try this. So I can just bring all these suckers. Oh, okay. Can you limit the upload speed? That's an interesting question. It seems like it might be possible, but I don't know. Okay, so this is working, but I forgot to make the dynamic. I forgot to wire it up to the actual percent, which was like the whole point. So let's go look at that width. So this 30% has to become dynamic, basically. Yeah, it looks sweet though. Thank you, Maywife. Thank you. You're a fan of my graphic design style. How do you do like? Oh, you do like this percent in JS, percent, something like that. Dang, if this works, that's gonna be pretty sick, actually. Boom! Front-end developer. There we go. Look at that. I'm about to piece out of here and put React.js on my freaking LinkedIn. Y'all better all endorse me. Ticking across. Oh my god, unreal. I have to say, like, when I started working on this like earlier, I was like 50% chance we will figure out how to make this work, and especially to like roll it from scratch. I guess it turns out it's not as nasty as I was kind of imagining, which is a big relief. All right, so there it goes, and then it just runs in the background, imports my stuff. Let's import it. Import Philly bike data because it's cool. And let's put it on the default layer. Let's import. It's chugging. I guess that the next thing, the like final boss of this is that so this gets from the uploading the files onto the server. What would really be sick is if you had an upload progress tracker of the processing of it in the background, so that like while the server's processing your files in the background, it would like, you would literally see stuff on here that's, you know, the percentage. Because right now you just literally like wait here and this thing, you know, refreshes. So that would be cool. But then, you know, that's like a whole nother level where I'd have to wire my background jobs to send, you know, state information back out somehow. So maybe next time. But yeah, merge it. How long are you doing stuff in React? You know, I've used React for a while, but I just never, like, I've never really been like a full-time like front-end dev. You know, it's always been kind of like side projects or hacking on random internal tools or whatever. So I just feel like I'm not like super profesh with it, because I mean, even you look like I'm not even like on the old generation React stuff. I'm like 2 or 3 generations behind, because all my stuff is still class. Oh god, extends. Let me find it. Yeah, all my stuff is still like class components and stuff, which I know now everybody does. Like, everybody does. You know, whatever. What do? They do like hooks and function. Everyone does like function components now and stuff, and hooks and use state and all this stuff. And I'm kind of like on this old style. So yeah, I just have a lot to learn, and it like moves fast. But that's nice of you to say. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't. The result is fine. Like, I think that's the thing, is you can make it work well, you know, without maybe even like being such an expert. What am I doing? Why can't I find Philadelphia? Do I have my data? Uh-oh. Doesn't look great so far. What did I actually upload? I swear I uploaded... Oh. Well, that's not good. Well, my data's not showing up. Yeah, it's here. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to have to debug that later. Something about those tile things is not working for me. I wonder if this is related to the thing that I did the other day. 404 session. Yeah, I'm not getting any tiles out of that because it's private. Hold on. All right. Changing gears. I'm going to debug this for a second. The other day we were in here and we were messing around with like auth schemes on the tile stuff, and we were adding I was adding some stuff to give I was adding like API token support in here. Validated user will redirect to tile. I bet you I'm not going to see that. So something is off there. Oh no. Now I can't even load it. Fucking great. Oh, because I lost my auth. Why did I lose my login? That's messed up. Something funny going on there. I think that's something weird about the development environment, but not good. Yeah, okay, so I'm not hitting that. So which of these is wrong? Current user. So I have now, I originally had, yeah, okay. Current user. The thing I added the other day, which is most likely what is screwing this up, is, oh wait, my music went away. Dang, hold on a second. Oh, maybe that was just the end of a track. That felt very abrupt to me. All right, where was I at? I added the other day, I used to have only session-based, like cookie-based user auth, and now I added a token-based thing. So, yeah, okay. All right, I'm a session user. Oops. Oops. I'm not in a typing mood right now. Session. Token. What is going on with my authentication here? Oh. I'm losing my session every time for one thing, which is not good. Something is off with that. Oops. None. Okay. Oh, I know why. Oh, this is bad, actually. I'm glad I didn't deploy this yet. Yo, keyboard shortcuts. Welcome. JWT. Not even that sophisticated, OX80H. If only I was on the level of using JWTs, we would be legit. Keyboard shortcuts, you missed the keyboard section of this particular stream, but I can show you. I've showed several times now the progress, which is my newly repaired and functional Leopold 660C, which I oops, the camera's backwards. Basically, I replaced the. Oh, this is Zach. Oh, what's up, Zach? Were you here earlier? Yeah, I replaced the microcontroller in there, and now it works again. But I had to do some tweaks on it later. But I'll be back on my real board come Monday. Smazzy indeed. All right, so okay, I remember what I did. I did a thing because this is like kind of the backstory is complicated, but like I have a thing now where you can load tiles, you can load vector tiles from the API either by being cookied, because that means like you're literally here on the browser web page and you're clicking around. You can be cookied, or you can put an API token in your request and send that, you know, like you would. And in order to be able to tell when somebody was anonymously viewing a public page in the map, I put a session in there, and I think what I did is I cleared the existing session. So I think I meant to basically say like add a timestamp I meant to say add a timestamp into whatever their existing session was, but what I did is I deleted the existing session and just overrode it with only the timestamp. So I have to figure out the right API here. I'm going to turn on my LSP for a sec and get that going. Play framework with session. I think what I need to do is like get the current session, merge it, and then like set that one, you know. Setting session. Configuring session cookie. I just want to know how to set it. With session. Session. Adding to session. Okay. That way. Yes. Adding to session sounds like what I need, because I did with session, which I think has the effect of overwriting. Does this work? Oh wait, my LSP is not loaded yet. The Scala LSP metals is like really sick, but it takes a few seconds to start up. So when you first do this, you have to sit and watch it churn for a second. Let's try that. Actually, that might be a little beverage break for me. Let's see if it's working now. Okay, what was it? Adding to session. There we go. I bet you this is gonna do what I meant to do. That explains why I kept getting logged out there, because I was like, what the hell is happening there? It's because that thing was wiping my user ID out of the session, and that's why I was getting bounced. All right, so now I should be able to log in, go to that page, and not get logged out. What's up? Yep, there I am. Okay, there goes some datums. Okay, there's a big ass polygon, and there's my data. Okay. Great. This is the whole thing we were trying to do here at the beginning, is freaking look at these bike paths in Philadelphia that I uploaded. So that worked. All it took was fixing a bug that I introduced the other day. Datums. Have a few datums for your troubles. Sick. Freaking love it. I've actually never really been to Philadelphia. I don't know anything about it, so it sounds cool. Let's see, what is all this bike shit? They don't have that much bike lanes. Top purpose exercise. I don't think these are actually lanes. This is just like data of where people are biking. I don't remember where I got this data set. It's been a while. Oops. All right, that's cool. What time is it? 6:30. We've been going for 2 hours. All right, let's do a little cleanup. Let's do a little commit hygiene here. See what I've got going on. Clean up some of my debug code. All right, what did I do there? So this is my upload button. I added progress below the upload button. That's fine. I added my progress rendering. So I store upload progress in state, this.state.upload progress, and then I do all this shenanigans to turn it into nice React business. I deleted the text there. I deleted that to-do that I had actually already done. And then I added a callback in here. Okay, I can clean up these comments. So yeah, basically what I did is I added this callback into the upload. So when I trigger the upload, I pass in the callback, and then whenever it gets a progress event, it updates me back. And then I set that into the component state, which is how you do all the rendering and stuff like that. So that's looking good. Here's all this dummy data. I might leave that. Am I going to be able to figure that out again? I don't know. I'm going to leave that for now, even though it's kind of sloppy, but I might need that in the future to debug the styling. All right, put that in. Oh yeah, I used I used a map. I used a JavaScript map, so you can do that now. Like it looks like just like in Java. Map, upload grant file, upload progress. That was cool. Oh yeah, I can get rid of this debugging now that I fixed that. I don't know what that's from. That was just from a minute ago. Adding to session, TIL, play framework, adding to session, not with session. You don't want to wipe it, you want to just add. I added Axios. Hopefully that does not blow up my JS bundle size to some heinous thing. What is Axios JS size. I don't know. How big is that library? Oh, this is all. It's hard to Google HTTP stuff for. Oh, here it is. Unpacked size 371 KB. I don't know. I don't really know if that's bad or not, to be honest. I'm not too worried about it for now. And then I got some types. I got some TypeScript. Wait, I thought I just saw. Oh, whoops. I thought I just saw some comment in there. Yeah. There it is. Okay, yeah. Make this call, take a callback. I did that. Whenever there's upload progress, I did that. Great. So there's that callback that we added. Console, I don't need all these logs. This works. I don't need the else even there. Great. Don't need that. Great. All right. PBG, you're a Emacs user. Are you a Magit user? Do you use Magit or I don't know if people say Magit or Magit, but the Emacs Git thing, it's so nice. I know Zach uses it. I know people that don't even use Emacs for their editing it, but they straight up use Magit to do their like Git stuff, which is it's like that good. Add upload progress bar below upload button. Sick. Looking good. Is this SpaceMac made with? This is not, but I when I first started using Emacs, I did use SpaceMax, and that was kind of like how, because I had been like a Vim user for years. I had like used Vim for like a long time, and then yeah, oh yeah, use SpaceMax, use Magic via SpaceMax. I think that's how I learned it as well in the beginning. And then yeah, so when I started messing around with Emacs, I got it's like magic with a T. Yeah, it's Magit. That's how it is. Yeah. Yeah. So when I first started using Emacs, the reason I got into Emacs was because of Clojure. I was like doing a lot of Clojure, and the Clojure Emacs stuff is actually like really sick. Like just the way that it's all like integrated in there and stuff like that. They have this thing called Cider, which is like a integrated REPL and all this cool stuff. Let's see if they have a cool screenshot or a GIF. Oh, they don't. Okay, well, I don't know. You can go look it up. It's really nice. So that's what kind of got me to Emacs, and then I was like, oh, okay, SpaceMax looks cool. It's like out of the box. But then I used it for a while, and then eventually I was kind of like, okay, I'm really only using like a handful of pieces out of this, and so then I kind of went and I sort of rolled my own that was like heavily SpaceMax inspired. So I think that's just the thing about how they lay out the leader shortcuts is very ergonomic. So that's like what I did too. I laid out kind of like I mapped my leaders, and let's see. I actually should show. Well, I don't know. I don't want to do too much like dot file show and tell, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just doing all this like I just use like evil leader a ton and like map everything out like how it how I want it to be. Space GB for blame and all that stuff. Yeah, I think that's like a cool, like, what's the word? Mnemonic. That's the word. The way that SpaceMax does like mnemonic key bindings, I think is really smart. So I definitely like borrowed a lot from that. All right, let's freaking hit up the tracker, the issue tracker, because I just literally did this. Add real upload progress tracker on file uploads. Right now, we just have a green loading circle spinner. Not anymore, sucker. No way to know time estimate. I guess a time estimate would be kind of like, that would be the next level, is like, it's like 30 seconds remaining or something based on how fast it's going or whatever. Let's see if there's some handy React progress bar. I don't even need that because I'm a freaking front end developer and I just roll it myself from scratch. So that was great. So I just did it. Throw that into the done column. And I actually don't even know. I actually need to log these. How do I even add a page? What's today? 202, 2021, 0312. What did I put in one of these? I need to make, this is Notion, which I just started using because I was like making it to track stuff, and then I was like, oh, I need to learn how to use this. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I can literally. This is what's cool about it is I can put my streams in here and then I can link to other stuff. So I can like link to an issue that I worked on during that stream, which is like perhaps a little bit neurotic, but kind of cool. Add reel, upload, copy link. Okay. Sorry, wrong day. 2021 03 012. Okay. Did that. Link to page. We also, oops, not that. We fixed the Leopold. Hasu, I'm going to link to that. Where is it? Damn, who needs Jira? That's what I said. Jira freaking sucks. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm going to put an emoji in there. You just sit tight. Oops. We put that. What does an embed look like? Hold on a second. What is new? I haven't used the embeds in Notion really that much. Oh, thanks, Yinny. Thanks, Yinny. Patch your mom in. Put your mom on stream. Okay, the embed is not looking promising. It's just spinning. You know what they need on this embed? They need a sick upload progress bar. I need to apply. I'm going to apply to Notion to work for them as a front-end developer because I'm an expert at making progress bars now. Embed anything. Obviously not anything. Okay, whatever. I'm going to delete that. I'm just going to put the link. Let's try again. Okay, there it is. Yeah, whatever. We use that. I guess I'll link my Leopold. Why not? This is what people do, right? They link things. So this is good. I'm going to update this stuff. I'm probably winding down, to be honest. So, you know, maybe we'll bounce on out of here in a minute. But it's fun to track what we did on the stream. Oops. Dismiss. Okay. And what did we do? We got rated by what is the name of his stream again? Large Data Bank. Is it? It's 2 underscores. It's like large __ data bank. Yes, sick. And we got rated by PBG, like a freaking double raid. If y'all haven't seen Professional Grade Beginner, check him out. He's always doing cool like Java and web dev stuff. Which is like kind of a neat scene right now going on. I don't know. That's about it. We did a lot of Tailwind, did some JS, some React, some shenanigans. So that was this was a good stream. This is probably one of my better streams. Well, I've only done like 5, so this is probably a better one. I did one yesterday morning that I didn't actually put in here. 0311. Quick morning stream. Finished up API key integration for MVT endpoints. Do I have an issue for that? Yeah, I do. Oh wait, no, wrong one. I have this one. Copy link. Copy link. Woohoo! Link to page. Dang, Notion's so cool. Yeah, put that up there. I guess if I were really fancy, I could like link the videos and shit like that, but I don't know. This is good. I don't know how long Large Data Bank was on there streaming. That must have been a long time because they started like afternoon East Coast time, and then they rolled in here at like 9 p.m. So that's like a marathon. All right. Well, thanks so much everybody for coming out. I think that's about it for me for tonight. I'm going to pick us. I saw that Creon was on doing music a little bit ago. Let's see if she's still up because that's a sick stream. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if anybody has a rec. Unless I'll look in programming real quick. Let's see if anybody's doing really cool programming. But I feel like Friday night is the time to watch DJ streams. Yeah, Python, Evercade, Splashly is cool. Let's see how many people. Creon's got 180. I don't know. Anybody got a? Thank you for the stream. You're welcome, PBG. Anybody got a raid request or suggestion? There's some cool stuff. Oh, there's a lot of people building PCs. I don't know. That's cool. I prefer to go into building my PCs blind and just do it wrong and then have to take everything apart 7 times and take it back to Fries. R.I.P. Fries. All right, let's go Creon. I don't know if y'all ever watch Creon, but it's like one of my favorite DJ streams. She is one of my favorite DJ streamers. Raid channel. All right, thanks a lot, folks. Great to see y'all. Hope to see y'all again soon. A DJ stream and Horus coding stream collab. If I could learn to do a DJ stream, that would be my dream. I gotta learn how to do that now sometime. But yeah, come back sometime. Let's see, Creon. Hold on, I gotta do this raid thing on the other screen. Enjoy, come back. I'll keep this Friday. I'm probably gonna keep this Friday afternoon time, and then, you know, maybe random streams during the week. See ya. Creon. Yeah, exactly. Yinny knows. Manny Hands knows. All right, here we go. See y'all next time.